Hey everyone, so for today's video I've got a Princess Polly clothing haul, and I haven't done a dedicated clothing haul on my channel in a little while, so I thought it was about time to share with you guys some of the clothes that I've been loving to wear, because I get a lot of requests to show you guys where my clothes are from, and you always seem to ask me to do clothing hauls, but for some reason I don't do them enough. So finally I'm here to do a clothing haul and show you guys the clothes that I've been loving lately. So everything that I have to share with you guys today is really comfy, but also really pretty, because obviously at the moment we're in isolation, so I've been wanting to make the most of wearing comfy clothing. So hopefully this video can give you guys some inspiration of what you can wear in isolation. And before we get into the haul, I just wanted to tell you guys that I have a 20% off code that you guys can use on the Princess Polly website. It's just Ella times 20, and that will give you 20% off all of the items that I share with you guys today, plus anything else on the website. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and let's just get into it. So this first outfit is called the Shah set. I personally love wearing sets because I think they're so easy. You don't have to think too hard about your outfit because you already have a set, so you already have your top and your bottom set out. And I also think they're really, really cute. So this one is kind of like a reddy pink color with little flowers on it. And I've been loving wearing skirts around the house lately because they're really comfortable. I personally am not a big fan of wearing shorts because they go up my bum. And you know, if we're not going out, like I want to be comfy, so I've been wearing skirts and tops pretty much on the daily basis. I think this is the perfect outfit if you want to look put together but also be comfortable at the same time. I know I'm going to be wearing this a lot for when I film videos and things like that. So that's outfit number one. Loving sets, so here's another one. This is the Niobe set. I'm probably saying it wrong, but I just think it is gorgeous. It's this really nice beige color. They have a number of different colors on the website, but I picked out this one. I just think it's a really wearable color, and yeah, it's super comfy because it's knit material, so it's really nice to wear around the house. But I also think it's really stylish, so you can definitely wear this out if you're popping to the grocery store. We don't really have anywhere else we can really go at the moment, but I just think it's so cute. It's also really cool because it's two separate pieces. So basically you have like the top and the shorts, and then to make it extra stylish, you can tuck the top into the shorts just like this, which I think is really flattering because it shows your waist. I'm probably doing this wrong because I can't see a mirror right now, but you get the point. Anyway, I love this outfit and you'll probably see me wearing it all the time. Is called the Motel Celestial Sunny Kiss dress. I have been wearing this outfit non-stop. It's pretty much the outfit that I've been wearing every single morning when I've been getting ready, doing my makeup. It's just so easy to chuck on, and it's so comfy and also really breezy. So this is what it looks like. It's got this really pretty print on it. As you guys can see, there's a big star here and then a bunch of little stars around it. I personally think that t-shirt dresses are a staple to have in your wardrobe, especially at the moment when we're wanting to lounge around the house. I could just live in these dresses. I think they're so practical, and you can dress them up or dress them down. I'll often just chuck this dress on when like the postman arrives and I have to run downstairs and I don't want to wear my pajamas, but I still want to be in comfy clothes. I just think t-shirt dresses are a necessity. So this is what it looks like. Called the Sienna play suit, and it is so comfortable. I love wearing play suits. I feel like back in the day I had a bit of a reputation, maybe it was a reputation that only my family gave me, but I would always wear play suits and they were like, oh, Ella will like that because it's a play suit, and it is true, like I love wearing them. They're another thing that are so easy to wear because they're already set out for you. All you need to do is just put them on. You don't have to think about styling them, and yeah, they're easy. So this is what this play suit looks like. It's a really comfy material. I also love wearing white. White is one of my favorite colors to wear. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but if you look at my Instagram, there's probably a lot of white outfits. So this is a very me outfit. What a surprise, we have another set. So this is the Ainsley set in black. I just think this is so cute. It's like a dressy outfit, but it's still comfy at the same time. As you guys can see, it's made out of knit. So it's really stretchy and really comfortable. We have this little kind of knit pencil skirt, and then we have this cropped jumper. And I just think this is so unique and I love it so much. And you could definitely wear both of these items with other things. So I'd probably wear this jumper with some high-waisted jeans, or you could wear like this skirt with another really pretty knit. So yeah, I think they're both really versatile items. That's another reason that I love getting sets, because then you can reuse the items for a bunch of different things. But yeah, that's what it looks like. I've styled the Bates skirt with this tee. It's actually a Trills tee. It's the Eagles versus Snake merch. And I'm actually going to be styling the next couple of outfits with this skirt as well. I just think it's a really versatile skirt, and it's also really comfy but super pretty at the same time. And you honestly just can't go wrong with a tee, to be honest. I live in t-shirts. I just think they're so practical and so comfy and effortless. So this is the outfit that I've styled. I've now paired the skirt with this gorgeous fluffy jumper. It's called the Rogue jumper, and it's in this really pretty baby pink color. I absolutely love it, and it's so soft. It's the perfect jumper to add into your wardrobe since we're going into winter soon. I really like it because it's not too thick and it's still quite breathable, but yet it still obviously keeps you warm because it's a jumper. So this jumper isn't actually cropped. I've just tucked it into the skirt to give it kind of like that cropped feel. And I really like these two things paired together. As you can see, it's a completely different look to the last one. I feel like adding a tee with this skirt makes it look a little bit more kind of grungy, but then this is like really girly and playful. So I just think a skirt overall is a really useful thing to have in your wardrobe. Is called the Bonita top, and it's so funny because I just realized I've been wearing this top wrong the whole time. So as you can see, there's these little things here, and what you do is you tie them up in a bow just like that, and yeah, that's how the top is meant to look. Well, this is how they had it on the website, but I was wearing it like this, so I had it tied around my neck so it looked like that, which I actually think is a really cool way to wear it as well, and I don't think it looked weird. So I've just figured out another way to wear this top. So there you go, you've got two different options, but I think I like this way best. So yeah, this top is a little bit dressier than the other items that I've chosen, but yeah, it's still really comfortable. So I'm sure I'll be wearing this top a lot after isolation's over and we can go out and I actually have somewhere to wear a dressy top too. But they are all of the outfits. And that's going to be it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And also I would love it if you could comment down below which is your favorite outfit that I've styled. Also remember to go and check out the Princess Polly website. I'll have it linked down below, as well as all of the items that I shared in this video. Also, if you do purchase anything from Princess Polly, make sure you use my code ELLATIMES20 so you can get 20% off. And again, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!